In the search for solutions, two companies that make antibody therapies hailed by President Trump have asked for emergency authorization to give them to more COVID patients.
But is political pressure rushing the process? Here's Kristen Dahlgren.
On the same day, the president touted an experimental antibody treatment as a cure for COVID.
I felt good immediately.
Two companies who make the treatments applied for emergency approval from the FDA. Eli Lilly and Regeneron say their antibodies made in the lab mimic the way the immune system fights infection.
This antibody blocks that sort of infective nature of the virus by not allowing it to get into cells where it can replicate and, infect patients.
Last week, Regeneron released early data from trials that included 275 people and found patients given the antibody cocktail cleared the virus faster with reduced symptoms. But critics like Dr. Rick Bright fear the emergency approval process is being politicized.
For people who say they just want access to the same type of world-class care, the same type of medications as the president was given, is that dangerous?
I would urge caution. You're getting a false message from the president right now. Let the scientists do their job.
Bright was the NIH whistleblower who says he was sidelined after raising concerns about hydroxychloroquine, a drug also touted by the president and given emergency approval. The president called him disgruntled, but published research later concluded the treatment wasn't effective and could even be dangerous. Doctors point out the president took several different medications, so it's impossible to know what impact the antibody treatment may have had. The stakes are high. Stephanie Landaverde's grandfather died of COVID just before the president's diagnosis.
He felt that if the president isn't wearing a mask, then we're fine. He listened to him because he's our leader, right? He's our president.
His family now in mourning, worried COVID-19 victims are falling prey to politics. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, New York.